Hello everyone, I'm Brandon Peace, and today on Turkey Leg TV, we're making something that I didn't realize that I needed, but now I do. We're making a pizza slice server, and the wood we're going to be using is an Australian coolibah burl. So let's throw this bad boy on the lathe and get turning. Wow, this is one epic handle. Oh my god, this turned out amazing. Look at the detail in this burl. Now it's time to throw the head onto this thing and serve some pizza. So let's do it. Thank you everyone for following along on my journey in making this pizza slice server. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you next time.